guys, welcome back. It is an afternoon hunt here in North Carolina for turkey season, and we have been getting our butts kicked. Turkeys have not been gobbling for whatever reason. It's been like getting cold randomly, like the past couple mornings. It's been down in the 30s, just stupid. So that's pretty good indication why these birds have been not gobbling and just acting kind of funny, on top of the fact that I think they're still henned up pretty hard, whereas last year we had a lot of turkeys that bred hens early in the year. So the first couple weeks of season was really good because they were looking for a new hen, whereas now they haven't bred a lot of hens. So the hens that they do have, they're just sitting around waiting to breed them. And it's very tough to call to a bird that's in that situation. So we're at a spot where Dad's been coming to a pretty good bit. We've got several birds pegged here where we know they're kind of in and out. So the game plan is just to get over here, yelp a couple times, see if we get lucky. Hopefully we get one fired up enough to come in and shoot him in the face. Alright guys, we walking down this trail and we just heard a bird gobble at a hawk. He's moving this way, it sounds like. He's just gobbled 3 times on his own. We just gotta hope that he doesn't have a bunch of hens with him. Alright guys. We stepped up here on top of this hill. And we yelped. Yelped a couple times. This bird is definitely gaining ground on us. I'm talking. He gained a lot of ground in a very short amount of time. Dad is just over to my right. Sounds like he's up in the hardwoods where we're at. He's still got probably 100 yards to go. But he can make those 100 yards up pretty quick if he chooses to. Somebody's gonna kill this bird. I can hear him walking. Oh, I see him. Right there he is, guys. I have no idea if I had him on film or not. I'm shaking like a leaf, man. Holy smokes. That's good spurs. The spurs don't match his beard at all. Oh, man. Now, guys, I have no idea. Try to get this bird around here where y'all can see. I have no idea if y'all could see that bird on film or not. Oh, man. What a freaking awesome little hunt right there. You want to talk about reading the script. We get out of the truck, we're walking down this roadbed, the bird gobbles out in front of us, and we start trying to figure out how we can get to him. And you know, I let out a couple yelps, and he didn't answer us back right away. And we were sitting there, and all of a sudden he gobbled again, and hell, he was probably, what, 60 yards closer? And me and Dad both just looked at each other. I was like, we got to find a tree, and we got to find it now. And we sat there, and he kept going back and forth there for the longest time. And man, what a cool hunt. Dad could actually see him for a lot longer than I could. So I could hear the bird walking. Dad could see him down there strutting. And all of a sudden, I just seen a red head coming, and he was doing it right. But when I seen him, he wasn't strutting. But he come up through there, and I could have shot him a lot earlier, but I couldn't tell if he was a jake or not. I didn't want to shoot a jake off his property. And man, he come up there, and he had that kind of look. I was wanting him to get just a touch closer. But man, he had that kind of look where he was like, I don't really see a hen up there. I don't think I'm going to come any closer. And I put the camera as close to where I thought he was going to be at as I could. And man, I let that old Stoeger with the EOTech eat. But man, what a beautiful bird. Got a complete fan, just a stud of a 2.5-year-old bird, which that's what we've been wanting to find. This has been the toughest bird to find this year, unlike years past, is those birds that are 2 years old that have bred hens and they're by themselves. You know, obviously you get some of those rare birds that are, you know, 3-4 years old that are just absolute monsters. I was fortunate enough to kill one of those last year, but you know, typically by this time of the year, we've seen a lot of these type birds that are kind of out roaming midday looking and trying to figure out what's going on. And this is the first one we've been able to find all year. So I'm super fortunate that it was able to work out on our end. So man, what a cool little hunt right there. But you gotta love it, man. A little quick hunt, a little fast hunt, but you gotta love it when a plan comes together. We still got a little bit of daylight left. Dad still has 2 tags left. So we're gonna load this bird up, we're gonna get in the truck, and we're gonna go see if I can call a bird in for Dad and let him put the hammer on one. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys, on my channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're new to Southern Extreme TV, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am trying to grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers, so every click gets me one step closer. It means the absolute world to me, guys. So thanks so much for hanging out with me. See y'all next time.